is going on, everyone? Thank you for joining me on today's unboxing episode. I know, I ain't done one in a while. But I've just been down to Handy Performance. I'd like to give those guys a huge shout out for getting me this RS ECU cover. Now, I've got this at a really good price from them down there. They've done me a really good deal. And yeah, I'm going to give them a huge shout out because I've been after one of these, as you know, for quite some time, an RS ECU holder. But trying to find one at a decent price, because as you know, these are like over 90 to over £100 of them. And I've seen it on forums, I've seen it on Facebook, on my page, and people are always saying, "Oh, it's well overpriced for what it is." I know they are. And then I get comments on my videos saying, "Oh, why have you just cable tied your ECU?" Well, because these things are really, really expensive for what it is. But now, like I said, I went to Ford's, Handy Performance. Those are the guys down there go and speak to, go and see, and they've done me an awesome deal with this. So as you can see, it's all genuine Ford. It comes with a little bracket as well. Don't know if I need that, but I'll see if I will in a minute. Now, some of you might be looking to get one of these. This is what I'm doing the video. So if we take it out of the packaging, right, so that's what we have, guys. It comes in two pieces. So as you know, this bit goes on the back of, well, in front of the engine, but on the back part of it, if you get what I mean, because it's got the little pegs here that sit into the rubber grommets that where the standard ST sort of airbox would be. So these just slot into the rubber grommets that way around. ECU, I'm guessing, bolts to that bit there. Yeah, it doesn't come with any screws and hardware. We were just looking a minute ago in Handy Performance on the computer, and it comes with and in the picture, sorry, it shows you do need long nuts going through there, or studs or whatever. But I'm going to see what I've got laying around in the shed down there and see what I can do. Or I might just be able to use the standard nuts and screws or whatever that came with the ST airbox. We'll see in a minute. This is the bracket, goes on the side of the ECU. I'm guessing it holds it in there somehow. Yeah, might not be able to even need that, but you never know. You never know. And then this is the front part. I'm guessing it goes on there, like so. So the ECU is then sort of protected from the elements of the engine bay and any debris or water getting up inside there. Oh yeah, it just clips in there, as you can see. Goes in there like that. Very easy to do. Fingers crossed. So yeah, so this is a very quick unboxing episode today. So this is the RS ECU holder. Stay tuned now, guys, for the install video straight after. And yeah, if you like this quick unboxing video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe down here or here. Don't forget, I am on the Facebook page and Instagram. It's AJ Focus. Also, don't forget ST RS Legends and AJ Focus merchandise. Yeah. So I'm gonna go outside now, install this and record it. Yeah, I'll see you on the install video. Thanks for watching.